Yes, good evening, guys. Good evening. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So, good evening, Abhishek. Good evening, Ganesh. Good evening, all. Welcome to iitiansgateclasses. Gate classes. So, guys, share this session to your all friends. Since this session will be useful to many of your juniors, your friends. So, guys, quickly share this session with your groups where your friends and juniors are there. So, this may be useful to them. Okay. So agenda of this session to understand how GATE is so important for aeronautical or aerospace engineering students. Okay, so again, I'm asking guys, I'm audible? Sanjeev, I am audible. Abhishek, I am audible. You guys can respond in chat. Okay, good guys. So guys, gate is kind of only opportunity for gate aerospace people. You can say only opportunity, especially for tier 2 and tier 3 college students. Okay, only opportunity I usually say. Why only? Because all of you in life want to earn well, want to do some good work either in core or non-core. So for any kind of work, gate AE will make your future better. Okay, so usually before going to session, briefly about me. So myself, Dinesh Kumar, I am organizer, chief tutor at IITians GATE classes. And about me, I have passed my GATE long back in GATE 2009 with AR 41. I pursued my master's at IIT Madras, and I have 13 plus years of teaching experience. In fact, I started teaching way back in 2006. There is subject called engineering drawing. Okay, in my engineering day itself. Okay, because drawing was one of my favorite subject. So I have taught that subject to my juniors. So way back in 2006. So it's like kind of more than 15 years back. Okay. Now I have 9 plus years of industrial experience also, apart from teaching experience. I started my industrial career with Safran Group. Safran Group. So most of you will be knowing Safran is Aero Engine company. One of the company in Safran Group, Snackma, which is an Aero Engine company, and there is another company called Sejab, which is avionics company. So there are many other companies also in Safran Group. It's a French-based group. Okay, and you all will be knowing Rafale engine is what? Safran engine. Okay, so the Rafale aircraft is driven by Safran, and you guys will be knowing there is an engine called CFM engine. Saurav, you must be knowing CFM engine. So engine is a partnership of G and Safran. Okay, and every second aircraft which fly, commercial aircraft, is what generally driven by CFM engine. Now this CFM engine is replaced by the next engine called Gen X. Okay, Gen X engine. Again, this Gen X is also 50 like a partnership between G and Safran. So I started my career, in development of Gen X, and also I have worked for the CFM engines also. Okay, those which are in operation. So during operation, many conformities comes. Okay, non-concession or concession works also people say. So analyzing those things and many other things. So after working with Safran, I worked with many other company directly, indirectly, like for Airbus work. I also worked for Bombardier Aerospace. I worked for GKN Aerospace. I also worked for UTC Aerospace System, uh, Aerospace System. I also worked directly or indirectly with company called Salient, Quest Global. I also worked with Tech Mahindra and many other places in my industrial career as well. So always I could change my work, my company frequently, uh, just because of I was always good in basics. Okay, and I was good in what I was doing always in my whichever organization I was working there. So how to know where the all type jobs are coming for aeronautical engineering? Yeah, I will answer Mr. Short video with lab channel. Okay, whoever is running that. So this is briefly about me. Okay, first time I'm telling all these. Okay, on YouTube, I have taken many sessions, but I never talk much about myself. Saurav, right? Abhishek, you guys know, right? But I'm talking today just because some people want us to tell what we are actually. Okay, some people may tell they are great, but they even didn't join when I finished my engineering. Okay, aeronautical engineering. When I might finish my aeronautical engineering, by the time they even didn't enter in aeronautical engineering field. Okay, so let's move on further. Yeah. Now we are today discussing GATE. So basically, GATE is what? Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and this exam happens in India, right? So always all college student must know. This is one of the competitive exams like JEE. Okay, and GATE is basically for engineers, JEE for 12th standard students. Okay, now. Uh, 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 we know now what actually GATE stands for. It is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So first we should know why should we prepare for GATE and what all career opportunity through GATE we do have. Okay, that is what the question. Because as I told, GATE is the only opportunity for aeronautical or aerospace engineer belongs to tier 2 and 3 colleges. If you are from IIT, then there is no problem. People will get placed in non-core easily with good package and all. But if you are not from IIT and you are doing BTech in aerospace or aeronautical engineering, there is an Mr. Lab. There is hardly any job for fresher. It's very tough for freshers to get a quality and dignified job. What sort of you say, Mr. Abhishek? There are some jobs in some companies if they come for campus placement. Abhishek, you are from Chandigarh University, right? CU? You are from CU, right? Or LPU? I think in CU last year the Tata Advanced System came. Tata Advanced System came. Okay, and IGC student got placed. His name is Shiva. Okay, so sometime if a company come for campus placement, there is a probability for any good student can get. Okay, 20K they offer. So what is that salary? Nothing, right? 20K, even in Bangalore we pay the person who attend phone call, Mr. Sarhal, more than that. At IGC we are paying more salary than that, around 25K. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, guys. Payment will be also less, of course, if you get some campus placement in IT company or some any other company. So, what I want to say here, if you prepare for GATE, you have always an opportunity to study at a tier 1 college. So the advantage to study at tier 1 college, you guys will have ample number of ample amount of opportunity with good salary. Clear? So why I tell always people the target should be like to get in an IIT. Okay, clear na? So let's move further. Now, what basically GATE offers to us? What basically GATE offers to us? Two kind of options it gives. The first option is PSU jobs through GATE Aerospace, and second, higher studies. But in like aerospace, there are very limited number of PSUs, and PSUs jobs also not coming regularly. Okay, so the major opportunity for we guys is what? Higher studies from premier institutes or tier 1 colleges. Clear? This point is clear. So those who all are watching this session, please thumbs up. If you guys are liking this session, thumbs up and share with your friends. Okay, so so all of people whoever have joined, see, one more thing about me which I haven't discussed and which is most important for me and my community is what? Yeah, Shiva was our student. He didn't join Tata Aerospace System Sonali. He joined one of the IIT. Okay, he was also a good ranker from IGC. Okay, yes, Sonali. Now, the which Swaraj, what is most important for me personally, I am an aero engineer by choice, not by chance. Clear? Clear, guys? So this is the most important and driving force in my life. I'm an aero engineer by choice, not by chance. Okay. I am from a very small village in Rajasthan. Okay. Saurav, I am from Rajasthan, Jodhpur. And my village is 35 kilometers from Jodhpur. I learned everything in Hindi till 12th. Okay, so I'm not like a person who is from so much educated family and had a silver spoon life, not just if it is not golden spoon life. Okay, so I learned many things on my own with my failures and many other things, but I'm an aero engineer by choice, not by chance. So now this is my responsibility being a senior, okay, who passed many years back aero engineering, to guide you guys all rightly and you guys guide. Yeah, yes, Dipendra. So it's good to know. You guys, you know, right? Our struggle. Even we learned like physics, like bhautik vigyan, chemistry, like rasayan vigyan, acceleration as a twaran, velocity as a gati, okay, like that. But still, now I'm in front of you guys using this YouTube technology and all, and trying to connect you guys across India. So I'm so fortunate for that. Now let's move further. So if you go for higher studies opportunities, of course you guys can do with GATE AE score happily your masters from IITs. There are several IITs I have given in the previous sessions, the details of those. You can do your masters from ISC Bangalore, you can do your masters from NITs. We have got several students in IITs, NITs, IIST, Trivandrum, DIIT, and other all good colleges. You can do several different courses like ME, MTech Research, MS, MDS, Integrated PhD, and so on. So this is one part of like higher studies in India. So this is the one opportunity. And now why should we do higher study? It is very clear, guys, for all aero engineers who have joined aero engineering by choice, not by chance. Okay, by just getting inspired by Kalam sir or Kalpana Chawla or anyone who has inspired them to join this fascinating branch of engineering. So my aim, those who get in tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, to get recognized first, okay, Dipendra, you understanding my aim. If you are from IIT, you are easily recognized. You may work in core or you may not work in core. That's the next step. The first thing is recognition. And getting in premier institutes through GATE Aerospace is not as tough like to getting like from mechanical branch or any other more competitive branch. Clear? So this is one thing. So now all those who joined our fab batch, it's very clear. Yes or no, guys? Those who have joined our fab batch, what is our aim? The first aim: prepare best and get recognized. Get the best GATE score. Get in higher studies if you are not having direct PSU option. Clear to everyone? It's a crystal clear. Those who are watching this session, Sonali, Abhishek, Ganesh. So guys, I will discuss that part also. Yes. Now, the next option for people is PSUs. Now, which PSUs directly take through GATE AE? Again, not regularly, but they are, taking through GATE AE score is DRDO and ADA. Now, your question is ISRO, Abhishek. I will come to that also. So, DRDO and ADA, and fortunately, currently around 27 plus openings are there, okay, in this DRDO and ADA through GATE AE score. And you all know, right, from IGC how many students are appearing? How many students are appearing for DRDO interviews? Yes, yesterday only I shared, right? Around 34 students are appearing for DRDO ADA interview, and which has around 27 openings, okay, in this current recruitment. So I'm pretty sure many IGCians will become scientists in this 27 post, okay. So that's one thing. Now, what is the other PSU options? But there will be no like scientist or permanent job. But GATE score is again mandatory, like in DRDO, ADA, ISRO, CSIR labs like NL, Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, and HL. What position they get through GATE Aerospace? They get like JRF position, Junior Research Fellow, they get project assistant position, they get project engineer position. Dipendra, you will be knowing, right? Your friend Mukunda got in ADA with GATE score with as project engineer position from your college only. Not from your college. I think you are from Parul. That guy is from Sandipan University, Mukund. So, like that, many IGCians have got job in ADA, AD, or any other place with GATE score, but not permanent job. What is the salary? Generally, they pay. They pay 35K plus. So, is this bad amount? 35K plus, starting learning many good things in government labs, is that bad amount? It's a very good amount, guys. You will have very good learning, and after learning for there few years, you can always jump in many good MNCs. And I have many example those who have done SAM. So clear, guys can give thumbs up if this is clear. The importance of working in government labs as JRF, project assistant, project engineer. If you are very much interested to work in core, it's really good. Okay, so this now, guys, sometime this ISRO, this CSIR lab, which I mean NL, will have what? Will have openings with MTech degree. And in both the places, my friends are there with aero engineering background. But again, the recruitment is not regular. In NL, there are many openings with GATE score for, or without GATE score also, for project positions. So Abhishek, is the clear? Is your answer is, your question is answered? You can respond. Okay. Now come to HL. So in HL, what happened? HL take their own exam. HL take their own exam. Okay. They have taken in 2021 and 2022. There is no update yet for 2023. No update. Okay, so their syllabus was like GATE syllabus plus general awareness and English and reasoning. Abhishek, what score is required for DRDO and ADA? It depends on category to category, Abhishek. We have all details. Some other day, Abhishek, I will give more insight. Okay? Because we have many students who got interview call, so I need to look into exact data. I have also, just a moment, Abhishek. Like it depends on category, I will give some statistics, just a moment. Yes, Abhishek. Yeah. So in general, minimum gate score is 726 from IGC. Okay. 726 in IGC general. Then EWS 703 603 603. Then OBC OBC it is 560. And SCST, in SCST it is 439. So Abhishek, is it clear? Now is my answer clear to you? Okay, so let's move to the first part, which is what? Higher studies through GATE. So as I told, there are different courses in India or abroad. You can do higher studies through GATE A score. Now, uh, if you do higher studies, from where all you can do, you know, all guys, you can do masters or PhDs from different IITs and ISC. These are the few options, and I have shared all the IITs, aero related and aero specific courses exactly, or aero related courses in the previous session, so you guys can go through that. And you can do masters or PhDs from NITs or IST or DIIT. Okay, so these things you all already aware of. Okay, now guys, the other options you guys can do also with GATE scores, your higher studies from Singapore or from Germany. At both the places, IGCians have got admission with GATE A score. Okay, so guys, if you have some, foreign study dream, or you want to get abroad, get a score, can you get there? The only thing, Singapore is costly, but if you take Germany, is not that costly. So Germany is cheaper in terms of education, but again, there are several other things which you guys may need to manage if you go Germany. Okay, so clear this higher education part, guys. Why should we do higher education? Because we need our recognition, because just like I'm from IIT, so people easily give you, a good job or anything else what you want in social life, or your personal life. Okay, clear? So any concern or any doubt, guys, in this part? Anyone? Any concern? So guys, again, if you are liking this session, guys can thumbs up. Okay, so let's move to next part, which is what? PSU jobs. So PSU jobs, as I told, clearly told, we have job in DRDO and ADA for scientist positions. Then in ISRO, also we have jobs for non-permanent positions. And in NL and ISRO with master's degree, you can get jobs. What is some gap effect? I'm not understanding what is the GAP gap effect. You mean you have some gap after your BTech, right? How it is going to affect? So that we will discuss separate. It is not related with like gate, the importance of the gate. So in HL also, in Bharat Electronics Limited, also they are building one division for unmanned aerial vehicle. So many requirements are there in flight physics area or any other thing. One of our IGC students from IIT Kharagpur has got a permanent scientist position in Bharat Electronics Limited, around a year back. Drop effect. Yeah, we'll discuss drop part separately. Let me complete this. Now, guys, as I told, for PSU jobs, DRDO and ADA recruit for both scientist and JRF and PA or PE positions. ISRO, HL, BAL, NL recruits for JRF and PE position through GATE Aerospace, GATE score. Okay, and these are the important links if you want to know where jobs are posted. So someone asked this person with Mr. Lab, right? Clear? So all these recruitment positions will be, advertised on these links specifically for aero-related PSU jobs, okay, or PSU recruitment. Clear? It's clear? Yes or no? Okay. So this is about government. Now, if you want to know about private jobs, so guys, you can say we are in Bangalore, and Bangalore is hub of aerospace companies. In fact, you will not find a city like Bangalore where so many aerospace companies are located. Okay, in world. So almost every big MNC which is in world or any major company of world is in Bangalore. So Airbus is there, G is there, Rolls Royce is there, Bombardier is there, Collins Aerospace is there, Boeing is there, Dassault is there, Siemens is there, NCC is in Pune, Eaton is in Pune. So MATLAB is one of the software company. So it's clear. Honeywell is in Bangalore. So these are the world's best aerospace companies. They all are in India, specifically in Bangalore. So if you are from IIT or any premier institute, or you are from tier 1 college, there is always an opportunity to work in such good companies. Clear? In core sector. Clear, Mr. Lab? So the first thing which you need to have, you need to be from premier institute. Okay, that's what I have seen. Many of my friends, my juniors and fellow mates are working in all these top companies. Okay, even our students recently got placed in Airbus, General Electric, Eaton, Collins Aerospace, okay, and many other companies like in Siemens also. Mr. Manoj Beshia, I was talking right yesterday. Manoj Beshia works in Siemens. I was talking about Pujita. So Pujita got already pre-placement offer in G. You all know, right? I have already shared Mr. Niladhari, he got placed in Airbus. Okay. So like that, tag of IIT matters or tag of any premier institute matters, Mr. Dipendra. You know, right? With your last 2.5 years of experience, well, right? Some people work in Mercedes-Benz, right, Mr. Dipendra, because of IIT tag, mainly first. Now, there are different companies in different aerostructures domain, right? In aerospace also, like if you take aircraft has many components, right? So for each component there is like one major player. So I just want to tell guys which all are major players in specific components. Okay, now if you take major players for airframe, right, in general, commercial aviation, in airframe. Airframe means you guys know, right? What is the airframe? Like your fuselage and wing structure, right? Or you can say body structure. So in body structure, mainly the known companies you all will be knowing: Airbus, Boeing, and Bombardier Aerospace. There is another company also there, Embraer. But Embraer is what Brazil-based company. It's a Brazilian company, but they are not having much operation in India. Okay, it's a Brazilian company. Okay, Embraer. They are also a big company in this commercial airplane manufacturing. So Airbus, Boeing, Bombardier Aerospace, all three are there in Bangalore, and they are having good operation for their products. Okay, mainly in India, these big companies do analysis work, okay, or design related work. They are not doing manufacturing work here, or not core advanced research work. Okay, so the relatively the work will not be sometime may not be that interesting, but working in such big company is itself an achievement for any aero engineers. Yeah, these it's a manufacturer private jets. No, there are Embraer for private jets. They have big aircrafts also, Mr. Saurabh, E series aircrafts and all. So Embraer or Bombardier Aerospace also have private jets and all, many. Okay. And then there are other players also there from US and other countries. Okay. Even China have now like some commercial private jets. Russia also have. Okay. So in India also NL, NL is working on 17-seater aircraft. Okay. Mr. Saurav, this. Even my teammates are part of such a project. Okay, so I'm just happy to say NL is working on that after Saras. Now I think they are working on 17-seater or maybe near kind of aircraft. Okay, now another components which is a major component in aircraft is what? Aero Engine. So which all Aero Engine famous company we all know? General Aviation, Safran, Rolls-Royce, Honeywell, and there is another company called Pratt and Whitney, P&W. So all these companies having either their direct operation in India. What is not brief, Mr. Saurabh? Either they are having direct operations like GE have direct, Rolls-Royce, Honeywell, Safran, and or Pratt and Whitney have a lot of operation in India through Salient. Like there, so much of work is done at Salient. Okay, for Pratt and Whitney. Yeah. So you want me any clarification, Mr. Saurabh? Yeah. So guys, is the session moving good? You guys can thumbs up. Those who are watching, they can like or dislike this session, because if we do not know our field, our companies, then it's like incomplete learning. Okay, so you should know the field very well, even if you go for anywhere. Yeah. Sir, someone say iPhone company also hire A engineers. I'm not sure, Mr. Leb. I have not come across anyone who has joined these vendors of iPhone manufacturer. Sir, will you post when admissions for IITs is open? Yeah, yes, of course, Divakar. We will have sessions when COAP admission starts, or like. Advertisement for every institute comes. Okay, so that time we will share the, not necessary by sessions, but in our telegram group we will share. Divakar, you can join our IGC telegram group for more updates. Okay, so let me share that. So those who are watching IGC this session can join Telegram, IGC Telegram channel for uh, aerodynamics. I'm not sure. I don't know about that. If I come to know, then I will tell later. Okay. Now, next is what Aeronautical. So Aeronautical's company are also there in India, both Collins Aerospace and Bombardier Aerospace, and also this BA Aerospace works with Tech Mahindra. Uh, there also nacelles related works, they do. Okay. Now, if you take landing gear companies, then both Collins Aerospace and Safran are in India, because in Safran there is one company, Safran Group company. Uh, I think Burgati. There is one company name now. I'm not recalling, not able to recall. They are good in this landing gear. Earlier, Collins Aerospace, Goodrich Aerospace. The company name was Goodrich Aerospace. Yeah, now Infosys has bought. Infosys has, Infosys has bought this engineering development segment, this engineering service segment of RR. Okay, clear, Mr. Ramon? So Rolls-Royce in India, they were independent, okay, or Rolls-Royce UK, it was under Rolls-Royce UK. But what Infosys have done, all the engineering service work part of Rolls-Royce, the Infosys have what they call it, in their acquisition, they call it. So they have acquired. Clear, Mr. Ramon? Yeah. So, in fact, my friends who were earlier Rolls-Royce employee, they are now, Infosys employee, or and some people have already left from here, RR India. Okay, because now it's Infosys India basically. But they have this called this RRODC and all. Okay, right. Now, landing gear companies, so Collins Aerospace works, Safran also have landing gear works in India. Some of my friends work in that when I was in Safran, and now also they have that segment, landing gear segment. Now, other than this, like aircraft interiors is there. So you guys will be knowing B Aerospace. So B Aerospace is in Hyderabad, you know. So they do lot of, aircraft interior works like seatings, cabins, and many other work. Yes, of course, majority of the non-IIT students only crack GATE Aerospace exam, because in IGC we get IIT BTech also student, IIT BTech students, and they take IGC even all kind of program, but they are not serious about GATE. This year we have students from IIT Bombay and IIT Kharagpur, but I didn't find they are that serious for GATE studies. Harshit, so my answer is clear. Majority of the GATE topper in aerospace, either they are from good colleges like Madras Institute of Technology, or Punjab Engineering College, or from IIEST Shivpur, or from IIST Trivandrum, and then from all other tier 3 colleges. Clear, Mr. Harshit? Yes or no? So IIT BTech students, they don't take interest in GATE because they are getting already non-core jobs, good paid non-core jobs. Sir, for going engine work fully, then what software we should learn, and also for rocket? Okay, let me answer further. Okay, now next is what aircraft systems. So mainly majority of the aircraft systems in across world is delivered by Eaton, and Eaton is in Pune. They have both engineering service segment and as well as manufacturing. So Eaton, you guys will be knowing, they are good in hydraulic systems and any other aircraft system. The major company is what? Eaton. Okay, and they are in Pune. Now there are several Indian MNCs. They work in aerospace, core aerospace domain, like Tata Advanced System, Salient, Quest Global, Altran, Atkins, P3 Voigt, Access Cadence, L&T, HCL, TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and many more. So it's clear. So earlier days, many of these companies were going for placement in some of the colleges, but now since in aerospace, the outside India, no major program is going on. Okay, so the scope of work is less at global level, so they are not hiring aggressively. But if you are having some kind of experience, you may get job in these companies, which works again for big companies like Airbus, Boeing, GE, Rolls-Royce, Pratt and Whitney, and so on. So it's clear. And in aerospace, there is one work which will be always there: repair and maintenance work. Okay, because Mr. Saurav, you will be well aware, right? There are some companies, they may set up in India some maintenance and this repair work, right? So after every maintenance or repair, you need to analyze, again, whatever my component, it is safe or not. So a lot much of work is there in that area. Okay, and many of our Indian MNCs, they get these analysis work, and they hire many aero graduates or maybe mechanical graduates. So clear. So these private core jobs opportunities are clear to everyone, those who are watching my session. Yes or no, guys? Because I'm well aware of all these works. I have done my from my hand in many different companies, different kind of work, either from repair, maintenance to design development. AME should be hired. See, AME will be hired at hardware work. Okay, when they have to repair in actual, but the remaining work, which is like analysis work, certification work, has to be done by Aero Engineer. There, Mr. Nishant. Okay. Yeah. So this is about core jobs. Now there are many other jobs. Yes, these companies are increasing. Now there are many other jobs also in core mechanical area, not maybe in core aerospace. So mechanical software companies are there. They also hire many aero graduates from tier one colleges like NSYS, Altair, Dassault, MATLAB, Siemens PLM, and so on. So many of good aero engineers who have good programming skills, or other skills, they are hired with very good package by these companies. Now many aero engineers like mechanical engineers works in aerospace company. Aero engineers also works like Mercedes Benz, Nissan, Renault, Tata Motors, and any other companies. So Mr. Deependra, you will be knowing this fact very well. An aero engineer can also works in Mercedes Benz, or the Delphi, or any GM, General Motor, or any other company. Right? Am I correct? Okay. Now there are other companies also, like wind energy companies. Even some of my friends, they have done aeronautical or aerospace engineering, but they are working in wind energy companies, like windmills, Vestas, LML Wind Powers, G Energy, Siemens Gamesa, Suzlons, and others. Okay. Now Suzlon is not doing that good, but there are companies like Vestas They are from Netherlands. They are the world's best companies wind energy area. And in Europe, right, wind energy is one of the top, source of power. Then you guys can also work in other companies like LG or Whirlpool, because I have seen some of my friends who have done their masters from NIT or some other institutes. They have got in companies like this. Okay, so there is like no limitations to work in core mechanical area in any companies if you have done your masters in like thermal or fluid, or you have done your masters in solid mechanics. Okay, um, so these are like common thing, but usually aero engineers are not suitable for industrial production engineering work, right, or manufacturing work. Clear? So where we are suitable, we are mainly suitable in like R&D work, research and development work, or engineering analysis work, or in design work. Clear? So our scope of work is clear now. As an aero engineer, we are good in research development work, or research and design work, or in analysis work. But we are not good in what, manufacturing, production, industrial. So based on our strength, we can opt always, job. Now, guys, there are this is very important. There are many aerospace startup nowadays in India, where also you guys can find a bright future, because some of my students, some of my friends, they are working in these new age startups. So what all known startups to me, what all known startups to me are, Agnikul Cosmos, Skyroot, Team Indus, Yacht Tech, Tecker Innovation Private Limited, Tejas Aerosense, New Space Research and Technologies, Setshore, and many more. Okay, so guys, clear? So these startup companies, okay, like these companies are not like we do aero and something like that. Clear na? Saurav, these companies are real companies and working in many interesting areas of aerospace domain, many critical technologies using like data sciences, machine learning, or robotics related things, and many even IGC students work in Agnikul Cosmos. Our juniors work in Skyroot. You all know. Many of my friends have worked in Team Indus. My fellow mates works in Techri Innovation Private Limited. My student works in Tejas Aerospace. My students work in New Space Research Technology. My students work in Setshore, and many more. Yeah, so that is also there. There are many drone companies, UAV companies in India. Which one more thing which I have missed actually. I should have included here, Mr. Nishant, drone companies. So I have not listed those drone companies. Some of them have they have been working in drone area also among these. Mr. Official, see, if you write GATE in CS, because yeah, many mechanical engineer, many mech engineer, they write GATE in GATE CSC. Why? Why they write? One of IGC student, he's a mech engineer. He wrote GATE in GATE CSC and getting 77 marks. He will be mostly under 200 rank. Now, why? Because they feel there are good jobs in CS area, right? High paid jobs are in CS engineering area. CS basically is not engineering. CS is a applied branch of mathematics. So there are more jobs in that. So they write. I in from IGC itself, I think 2 3 Mac engineers are there. They are right. They have written GATE CSC. Now, which GATE paper you should write? Of course, you can write GATE CSE, but again, you have to learn complete 4 years of basic subjects of GATE CSE. You may be good in data structure, algorithm, programming, right, Mr. Coppel official? But you have to learn all other subjects like computer network. No, CS, I know this well. Computer network, operating system, or you may need to learn DBMS, database management system. You need to learn TOC, theory of computation. You need to learn compiler design. Depend. I'm not a CS guy, right? But I know every every subjects well. Why? Can you tell? I know all the electronic subjects also. I know all mechanical, all aero. Why? How? Nishant. Because every day today in IGC I deal with all these subjects. Okay, Coppel official. In IGC we are good in both. We are good in GATE Aerospace also. We are good in GATE CSC also. Okay, and of course getting 3 digit rank, right, in GATE CSC. Tell me guys, it's a big achievement, right? Our rank, best rank will be around AR 100. Last year we got in GATE EC, in GATE EC, AR 34. That is the 2 digit rank, Mr. Dipendra. But IGC is still well known more of for aerospace, right? Because not many people have explored. Yeah, of course, aerospace is a mixed branch or interdisciplinary branch. So if you are having good programming skill, it will help you in your future, because without programming in aerospace, like you need to know like MATLABs, Python and all very well if you want to do the good R&D work. But now I will suggest, since you know basics of aerospace engineering by default, right? So I will suggest you write GATE in GATE Aerospace, and then do excellent work in this using the CS learning with aerospace applications. Okay. Most of the, yeah. Is there any? Yes, there is reservation for physically handicapped candidate. PH. Yes, there is a reservation, Coppel. One of IGC student with around with AR 300 in 2019 with PH category got in ISC Bangalore. Clear? So is that my answer is clear to you? Yeah. Yeah. Any other question, guys? Okay. So these are about aerospace startups. We can have one more slides next time when I take. I'm not sure, but with person with a disability, there is reservation. Okay. What is OD? I'm not able to understand. Yeah. So guys, we can have one more slides. UAV startups, unmanned aerial vehicles in India. They will consider one of that. With ST reservation itself, you will get easily. If your gate score is around 400 with ST or SC, you guys have seen even DRDO call is there with the what is the gate score? I have written with the 439 gate score from IGC. Clear? So you guys can thumbs up if my session is going good and giving a good idea of what you guys want to do in life. Quickly. So we are almost going to finish this session. I can take a more question and I'll try to answers with my best of abilities. Okay. So another good thing now, where more jobs are there, which is what data science and machine learning. So if you have good GATE score, GATE A score, of course you can do masters in this data science and machine learning areas, and then you can get well paid well paid jobs, right? So this is the another field where people can explore is what data science and machine learning. These are futuristic field, right? uh, Now guys, in data science and machine learning, what is the prerequisite? So first things like you guys must be good in mathematics. So guys, those who want to work in data science and machine learning area, they must focus or should improve their mathematics as best. Then they should know some programming languages like MATLAB or Python. Okay, or there will be many other tools or applications related to data sciences. Okay, so again, if you are from premier institutes like IITs or NITs, always there is a excellent scope for Aero guys to enhance these skills and get placed in core or data science and machine learning companies. Now I'll share one thing. One of IGC student got a package of 30 lakh per annum. Okay, LPA 30 lakh per annum in the field of data science and machine learning after doing masters in aerospace. Okay, clear? So is this clear? Even one of our students or every year from last 2 years we have IGC students who got masters in robotics. Okay, so in robotics also there are many good innovations or many new things are happening, or lot much of machine learning and other things can be used in those areas. Okay, so we have always variety of the students who to them we support and then they support us for our post-grad guidance and guidance sessions and all. So clear? Am I audible? Guys, those who are watching can thumbs up this session. Like, dislike, share. Okay. So I think in brief, you can say one exam for your bright future. GATE is one exam for your bright future, one exam with multiple opportunities, one exam to have a great career opportunities, one exam to pursue your masters, one exams to get a PSU jobs in core aero domain. So one gate is the gate for your destination, is what the tagline of this session. So one gate is the gate for your destination. Clear? So the gate is what? Gateway of opportunities for all aeronauticals and aerospace engineers, specifically, again, I'm saying from tier 2 and tier 3 colleges. So any doubt in this? Why we should all why should we all be very serious? Why should we all very serious for GATE preparation? Even if you have college, you may be working, you may have n number of things to do. But if you are really worried about your future, guys, make sure do prepare best for GATE Aerospace, because GATE Aerospace is the easiest way of succeeding in life for aeronautical and aerospace engineer. Whatever in my life today, whatever in my life today I am, it is all due to what rank I got in GATE 2009. Okay, clear? Clear to all? So guys, make sure you all have joined, or those who all have joined IGC, prepare best for GATE. Those who have not joined IGC and joined somewhere else also, best prepare for best for your. Those who are watching this session may join later, or those who just want to know what all options they have in their career also can take GATE Aerospace with utmost sincerity. Clear? Okay. So GATE is the doorway for your destination, and it is the door for your destination. So thank you all for joining this session. Sir, which is the top technical college for MTech? All IITs are good. I have already listed Ganesh in my other sessions like ISC Bangalore, then IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, then IIT KGP. Okay, clear? So these are the top institutes for aerospace. Then there are other institutes also like IIT Hyderabad, IIT Guwahati, IIT Dharwad. Those things also have shared cutoff ranks and all in the last session. MTech, MS admission cutoff session, Mr. Shyam. In my previous sessions, I have done that. Yeah. So any other doubt? Mr. Mr. Shyam, Ganesh, Nishant, these Coppel officials, Rajmohan, Abhishek, any other concern or doubt? So guys, I will say again, if you like this session, do share with your friends, share with your juniors. So they are also guided well. Nobody is misguided in their career, in their future. If your college is not supportive for GATE studies, means they are playing with your life. Okay, if your college is not supportive, for your GATE studies, for your GATE studies, that means they are playing with your life, especially tier 3 colleges. Okay, with your life means they just want you to be jobless forever. Okay, tier 3 colleges students, I'm telling this, if your college is not supportive for your GATE studies, ruining your career, your life. They will be just make you a candidate with some degree after 4 years, no other option in life. Clear my point? So guys, if your college is not supportive, convince them, so they should not put like semester exam, this, that in when peak month is there, especially January month, when you must prepare very well for your GATE studies in this January, December. Your college people should take care of you guys with both the hands, because they are not able to give any kind of job to you guys, they must allow you guys to prepare peacefully, because I am seeing this year by year, many colleges play with the students life. They will not allow peacefully to prepare their students for GATE. I don't know what mentality those people have. What is the wrong? If you want to make your career better, you are preparing for a competitive exams like GATE, where you will be recognized if you have a qualified GATE score or a good GATE score. Saurabh, Shyamraj, Ganesh, Nishant, and I am talking to all aerospace guys. those who may listen this lesson session later, I'm telling guys, convince your college people कि GATE is very important for us, and give this session, share this session with them, why GATE is important for them, for you guys. They may not be knowing also these companies as well. They may be teaching in your college. I know there are people, they are not aware at all. They simply got some job there and they are doing it. So guys, share it as much as possible. If any question, be free to ask me in person or in this session. Yeah, so any question left out? Any question left out, guys? Yeah, in short, GATE is life for us. It was life for me. It was life for my friends. GATE is life for Aero people. There is no other option. You are very true, Mr. Ganesh. But of course, simply thinking about GATE, just thinking ki, okay, I'll prepare, you will get GATE score. Will you get like that? Ganesh, by hard work, you will get GATE score. With a consistent, regular preparation, you will get the GATE score, not just by thinking. Okay, so thank you all thank you all guys for joining this session. And if you like this session, share with your friends, your juniors, and even you guys can share with your teachers also. I'll be very happy. Okay, thank you all.